All right, Bitcoin holding up here. Let's hope it can hold up more. Yeah, let's get right to the market. So BTC here, over the weekend pretty stable. Did try to move down late yesterday. We subsequently bounced back. Things are looking okay. We're holding stable. We're above our 64,263. We're above our much more important trend line here, and we're in a good spot. So potentially moving up, measured move for this inverted head and shoulders pattern here takes us up here to the 75,531. So we'll see if we get there. Looks like it's going to be more of a journey, a marathon than a sprint. I guess that's a better way to put it. And we'll see what happens. But so far, so good. Low and slow weekend. Things were stable. Let's hope things continue this way. Now, in the bigger picture, talking about the Bitcoin halvening. So there's the Bitcoin halvening, that line right there. And it's looking just in line with every other cycle. Big consolidation and ideally a larger move up. And that's what pretty much everybody's waiting for. So if you're trying to buy lower, it's slowly getting away from you. So if you buy, you have to consider where you're going to get out. I'm not an advocate of buy and hold. So maybe you could in this case. It's a bit of a different scenario with the halvening situation. It happens only once every 4 years, but um, still typically not a proponent of buy and hold as a strategy. You do have to know when you're going to get out. Now, if that point is this low here, say 56 700, that's fine. Just know where you're going to get out to avoid damages to the account because you can't make money if you have no money, okay? But BTC doing pretty good here. A lot of the other cryptocurrencies are doing okay. They're not doing great, but they're not falling apart. I think that's the big clue here. So let's take a look at our top 50 hot coins today. Only two of them here today. We got WIF USDT. This is top one in the past 24 hours, up 9% according to CoinGecko. So we had a head and shoulders potential here. That didn't play out. And now we have another maybe inclining trend or declining trend line that we could try to break. A little bit ways up to there. Really isn't the best one today. I thought it would have a better mover today, but I guess not. This is just what you get sometimes. Now it is early in the day. This thing could try to get going. We've had this on the channel multiple times, probably 5 or 6 times now at this point for the hot coin of the day. And here it is on here again. So coming out of a bottom, we could, as long as we can get past this 27745 level there, I think that does bode well for rallying through to the trend line, and we'll see maybe beyond. And then another one is Theta. We've actually followed Theta on this channel for a very, very long time, a very, very long time, really all the way back since near the ICO. Uh, Followed it through that entire run, through this entire run, and we're still in the middle of this next run. But look at the volume that came in during the last run right here. Tremendous amount of volume, and now we have a nice low and slow consolidation. Volume isn't very heavy, and this is starting to get going again a little bit here. You got good volume here today. It's already about half of average volume. Um, we may not get to average volume, but it's a pretty good day considering where we've been the past month or so. Pocket pivot here, and maybe we'll get another pocket pivot today. We'll see. I think it'll be close, but I think this is one worth keeping an eye on as your previous high currently is 3.8, and we're sitting here at 2.3. So that's pretty good in terms of percentage moves up. So those are your hot coins of the day. And that's all I got for you guys. The market's generally looking good. So you want to try to stay with things if you can. If things are moving up, that's better. If things are sitting on their feet, that's not. That's really a simplistic way to look at it, but it's a very realistic way to look at it as well. So, all right, guys, that's all I got for you. Have a great day, and thanks for joining me for your best 5 minutes of your day. And I'll see you tomorrow on Altcoin Buzz Trading.